Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front camera on the iPad Pro 2020 11-inch edition. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. The most important part of iPad repair is proper heating. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad devices, make sure to hit the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or something similar. Once the heating has finished, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a couple of plastic car pry tools and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the reflex cables attached to the logic board. Once the separation has completed, pull the LCD and slide down to remove the shield by undoing two screws. The top cable width is short. Pay attention while removing it, and then disconnect the connector. Next, lift the LCD screen to 90 degrees, just like halfway through to open a book, and undo 3 screws to remove the shield. And then disconnect 4 connectors to pull out the LCD screen. Now the screen assembly unit can leave from the body. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 4 screws. Next, remove the not working front camera by undoing 2 screws and 3 connector plugs. Next, place a new front camera in the body by adding 2 screws and 3 connector plugs. Please note, replacing the front camera won't fix issues with the Face ID, and also it might lose the Face ID. Next, place the bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, place the screen to the body by connecting the LCD and touch connectors. Ensure the connections are secured and then add the shield by adding 3 screws. Next, move to the top and take 45-degree angle like closing a book. Slide the screen down and then connect the top connector to the logic board. Ensure the connection is secure and then place the shield by inserting 2 screws. Next, before installing the screen, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided backer adhesive. Next, slide in the top section first, then the bottom to clamp up the iPad. Click in the top section first, then click sides and the bottom simultaneously. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. Finally, we are using screen binding clips to tie the screen to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on iPad Pro 2020 11-inch edition. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.